Hi there guys, it's Mrs. Ehlke here today and I am drawing with
Olivia.
And how old are you, Olivia?
7.
7, almost 7.5. And Olivia today was feeling the cold winter vibes in Wisconsin and was hoping to draw a snowman. So instead of just doing a regular snowman, because we've done that before, check out our videos on our YouTube channel, we decided to do a snowman on his head. Upside down snowman, hanging upside down on the snow. Pretty cool, huh? So if you want to follow along and do a funny upside down snowman, doing a cartwheel maybe, or a handstand or a headstand, then please follow along with this video tutorial. Anything else, Olivia?
No.
Nope. All right. Have fun, guys, and let us know how it goes. To begin our snowman, we are going to start with them doing, I think we're going to do a headstand. How does that sound? All right. So I'm going to start off with a line to kind of show where the ground is. And it can have kind of a curve to it. It can be flat. It doesn't really matter. Then I'm going to make a soft rectangle. And by that I mean it's not going to have sharp points, but soft points like this. And it's going to be floating in the air right now. Good. Next, I'm going to make a curved line, kind of like the letter C, that goes down to connect to the ground, and then down to connect to the ground on the other side too. That is going to be the snowman's head. And I'm going to have another just little bump right here on the side. This is going to be the scarf. And it's going to be kind of hanging off down here because the snowman is upside down. So I'm just going to kind of put it off like that. Good. Now I'm going to do the middle section of the snowman's body, which is going to be a medium-sized circle balancing on the scarf. And then the bottom of the snowman is going to be the largest circle, so you want to make sure it's larger than the other two. Nice. Yep. And if you want to, you can add some snowman buttons on the middle section. And of course our snowman needs a face. So the face, because he's upside down, I'm going to start with the carrot nose, and I usually make a point and then like a little letter C, kind of like that. And then I'm going to connect the two to make the nose. And then the eyes can be someplace around the nose. And then you can decide what kind of mouth you want. If you want them to be smiling, if you want them to go kind of like, whoa, like this is kind of crazy, it's up to you what kind of mouth you want. So I don't know, I think mine's going to be pretty happy, having a good time. So I'm going to make a mouth like that and color it in with black.
It looks like you're not happy.
Yeah. Then to help him kind of balance, I'm going to add the stick arms. And to do that, I'm going to start at the middle section and I'm going to draw some sticks. And before they get to the ground, I'm going to have it kind of break out into like a Y shape, something kind of like that. So it looks like they're kind of helping support him since he's upside down. And I'm going to do that on both sides, have kind of these Y-shaped sticks on the bottom, yep, to help hold them up. And there you have an upside down snowman. Now you can also add maybe some details to the scarf. So maybe my scarf is going to have stripes on it or polka dots on it or some type of design. That is up to you. And then if you want to, just kind of for kicks and giggles here, we can add a couple of boots kind of hanging up in the air. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an L shape that goes to the right and to the left like this. And then I'm going to turn them into boots by curving them around and then bringing them back down towards the body. Curve around and bring it back down towards the body. And there you have a very silly upside down snowman. Now, I am going to be done with the marker and I'm going to try to find a shade of blue. So probably a lighter blue is better than a darker blue. So you could probably use this one, Olivia. And I'm going to shade my snowman by going right next to the edge and coloring really, really lightly all the way around the edges of the snowman. This just gives them a little bit of shading. So it's kind of a little bit fancier here because we don't really have we have the papers already white, so since the snow is white, then I like to just kind of add some shading to it so it's not bright white. So I'm just adding a little bit blue around the edges here of my black lines, and I'm going to do that on each of the circles of the snowman so that I can give him some shading. Pretty silly. What do you think, Olivia? You liking this?
Yeah.
Is he looking pretty good?
Yeah.
A little funny?
We forgot to give him eyebrows.
Well, you can add eyebrows to your snowman too if you want. I will not stop you. Now, when I have this light blue out, I'm also going to put a little bit on the ground snow too. I'm just going to add a little bit of blue, especially towards the line, and then I'll just have it kind of fade away into white. Kind of like that. Yep. Now you can decide what color you want to do for things like
A scarf.
the scarf. You can color the boots, color the carrot nose. I'm gonna get some colors on this snowman. Let's see, scarf. I'm gonna do some yellow polka dots. Maybe I'll do different colored polka dots. They'll be kind of rainbow colors. Got some yellow ones. Maybe I'll do some pink ones. Whatever design you want to do. Try to get some good colors on there. Make them look kind of fun. Maybe I'll do purple. Purple circle. And I think you might have a green I could use. So I'm going to steal one of your greens over here since you've got a bunch. Is that okay? You let me have a green to borrow? Some green circles. Blue. So yeah, we're just going to keep on decorating our snowmen with some nice coloring by adding some fun colors. And then we'll show you how they turn out in just a minute. All right, now you can see Olivia and I finished our snowman. We added some fun colors to the scarves and to the boots, things like that. Her boots are way more colorful than mine. So these snowmen are having fun trying out their gymnastic skills, huh?
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe below, and we hope to see you again soon.